Hey everyone, welcome to the Islamic School of Hamilton, a super cozy and friendly spot where kids get to learn how to be amazing Muslims and Canadians at the same time. What makes this school stand out is how it mixes learning with fun and kindness. Kids here dive into all sorts of subjects, from math and science to art and history, but there's a cool twist. They also learn a lot about their faith and how to be good people, which is pretty important, right? Plus, the school has tons of activities and clubs, making sure there's something for everyone. And the best part? Families get to join in too. There are events and programs where families can come together, learn, and have fun. It's a place where kids not only learn about the world, but also about how to be proud of their identity and contribute positively to the community. If you're looking for a place where your kids can learn a lot, feel super proud of who they are, and also help make the world a nicer place, this school is definitely worth checking out.